Hi, this is Mike at Modern Fuzz Studios, and today we're going to do an experiment with the REAMP box. This is the one we're going to be using right here. It's made by a company, Radial. This goes for about $100, and this allows you to take audio from your session. So today we're in Pro Tools, and you can run this audio out into the REAMP box, out of the REAMP box, and then into your guitar effects. Today we're going to use a drum loop, so we're going to be running drums through all these different pedals to see what kind of results we get. But you can also do this with amplifiers, so if you had like a vocal you wanted to run through an amp, that'd be another way you could use this. There's a lot of different options really. Here's the 5 pedals we're going to use. We're going to use the Fuzz Factory, a digital reverb, pitch shifter, compression sustainer, and a SansAmp.